Welcome. If you're here, you're probably a Snapchat user who's tired of those distracting typing pop-ups that keep appearing every time someone's about to send you a message. Those notifications can get a little much, right? Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, on how to make them disappear for good. Just follow along and you'll finally enjoy a peaceful Snapchat experience without the constant interruptions. First, let's begin by heading to your device's settings. Find and tap on the settings icon on your phone. Once you're in, scroll down until you see the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside the Apps menu, just look for Snapchat among your list of installed apps. It might help to use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of apps. Tap on Snapchat once you've found it. From here, you'll see a list of options related to Snapchat's settings. Look for and select Notifications. That's where all your notification preferences are managed. Now, you'll see another menu pop up. Tap on Notification Categories. This will bring up a detailed list of all the types of Snapchat notifications that you can control, like snaps, chats, friend requests, and yes, typing notifications. Scroll down or look for the section that says Individual Chats. Under this section, find and tap on Typing. That's the notification we want to change. Right here, you'll see a switch next to the option that says Show as Pop-up. If it's turned on, you'll keep getting those pop-up notifications every time someone starts typing. All you need to do is toggle it off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled those pop-up typing notifications. Now, Snapchat won't interrupt you every time someone wants to send you a message, but you'll still get normal notifications if someone actually sends something. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends or let us know in the comments what other Snapchat tips you'd like to hear about next.